Hey guys, today we're making mac and cheese. We have macaroni here and the cheese powder here and some butter here, but the most special ingredient is string cheese. You may be wondering, why is string cheese important? Because it makes cooking yum yum. And we have a special guest, which is this mini pig. He said he liked mac and cheese, so he's joining us. And here's how to make mac and cheese. First, you get a pot, boil it. But you can do that yourself. Ask your parents to do that part. And then put the macaroni. Then add some of the butter. You also need to add milk. And then add some cheese. And voila! You have mac and cheese. Wow,